a bird that flew in our kitchen.
Yeah, well, how the hell did he get in here?
We opened the door and it flew
Well,
in.
yeah, but how often do you open up the door and a bird comes in? Very seriously, I've opened that door like 100,000 times already since we live here. And
Well, it's cold outside.
it's cold outside. That doesn't make sense.
Baby, it's
What if it's
cold
hot?
outside.
What if it's hot outside, baby? The heat's on, and the heat's on, and the heat is on. And the heat is
All right,
on.
let's get the bird out of the
I'm
house.
trying. He's gonna bite me.
Just don't ruin my plant or the elephant.
Don't worry about the cold.
I am.
Well, what happens if he pecks me in the eye?
Close your eyes.
I don't have safety goggles.
You need some?
I
Okay,
probably
some.
need some safety glasses. In case he pecks me in the eyeball. Give me
He
some
will-
safety glasses.
He will peck you in the eyeball.
Oh, what if he does?
Listen, it's gonna try to fly away from you.
I exactly know. He's going for my eyeball, dude.
Okay,
It's not like he's going for like the two other things I have that are round. I don't think he's diving for my balls. All right, let's just put it out there.
let's just get the bird.
All right, well, I'm trying to sneak up on him.
He can hear you.
Put your earmuffs on, bird, because I'm coming. Jesus Christ, how did you get bird earmuffs? Hopefully this countertop doesn't tear off.
Oh yeah, be careful.
I know,
You might
I'm
have
fat. Oh, what are you saying? I'm fat? I'm going to tear the thing off? That is not fair. Hey, you're mean.
to. I
I'm
didn't
fat.
say that.
Yes, you are, because I grew a little bit of a goatee or something. I'm fat.
Goatee, a goatee.
Yeah, well, I can barely pull myself up.
All right, come on. We got 2 minutes and 27 seconds to get the bird out.
All right, I'm going stealth. Yeah, well, see, it's not gonna
Where
work.
did it go?
He's in the back bedroom.
No.
Or- no, he's in the laundry room.
Oh crap!
Yeah. Well, laundry room or... Okay, here we go. Come on here. There he is. Look.
Where? Whoa!
Come on, get in here. Close
Ah!
it so he can't get out.
Oh, it's in the bathroom now.
All right, well, he needs to take a shower.
Okay, right up there on the
light
light.
bulb. Should I turn it on?
No,
Burn his feet?
no, it'll
Burn
burn
his
him.
feet?
No,
Woo!
it'll burn him. Just gently grab it.
Gently grab him. Why do you gently grab him when he's flying? What, grab a wing? Hey, he didn't get out of there.
Oh, open the back door.
Oh.
Oh shit, it's gonna knock itself out. Oh god.
Dude, we can't open the back door. We just fucking put the damn curtain up.
Crap. Here it comes. It just flew back in here. Hold on, bird. Just calm down. Calm down. Yikes!
Yeah!
Oh shit, it's gonna knock itself out.
There we go.
Okay, come here. Come here. Like the bird's gonna listen to me.
Go, there we go. Sit on my shoulder.
It's up there, way up there. There we go. There we go.
Alright, just figuring it out.
Oh shoot!
Window.
Crap. Wait, let's
Get
not.
off the trash bags.
Let's not let him do that again. I'll stand over here by the
What are you
window.
doing? Hang something over that?
I'll stand over here and then it.
So he doesn't think it's white clear. I'll hang something over it.
Now, how are you gonna get it out of the?
That thing?
Yeah.
That'll work.
We got 17 seconds before the video ends. Whoa! In the bathroom it went.
No, new video. Alright, here, I'm gonna shut down this thing here. Now you can't get out.